How to access your WordPress website dashboard in if you are using Cloudways hosting. So first of all, log into your Cloudways account, click here on the dashboard, and here you can see applications. So that's all your websites that you are running on your Cloudways. So simply click on the name of the website. Here we can see so it's like so name of not website but your server. So here we can see admin panel, so you can simply click on here and you will be redirected in next page like this. Yes, where you need to enter your username or email address and password. So here is your username, and you can simply copy it, and here is your password. You can simply copy password as well. Simply paste it here, click on login, and that's all what you need to do. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe.